What's up guys, Tao here. So ever since I switched to OnePlus, this is the 6T, I have not been using the iPhone at all. In fact, I have disabled the Apple Watch 4 to this iPhone completely. So I really just use the Apple Watch to tell the time and exercise and Apple Pay. So now Apple Pay I use almost on daily. But before the whole UK lockdown thing, I've been testing the Apple Watch without the phone, actually disconnected completely, and just to see how long I can use the Apple Watch for Apple Pay. Now, since we are locked down here in the UK, so I guess I might as well just do the video and show you guys the result. Here just to show you the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth, they are both disabled. You can see here, here's Wi-Fi. Yes, that is not connected. If we go back, and Bluetooth, Bluetooth is also off. Now, since the first day trial the Apple Pay on the watch without the phone, I have been record those payment and date. Now the most difficult thing is to remember what I've used on the day. So this might not be 100% accurate, but this is the most transactions on that specific date. I think I've been using more transactions than this, but let's see. All right, I have my online bank account logged in. So let me just see if the transaction appears. What? Okay, hold on a second. Okay, I cannot show you my statement, but I will show you the date. Now here are the dates I've been written down and how many transactions, but the amount of transaction actually is not important, but it's the date. I actually can see all the transaction date. Actually, it matches with my record. But even though the watch and the phone are disconnected, so which means somehow the watch is connecting to internet even though without the phone, but the watch is off though. Huh. Well, that's weird. So no wonder I've been using the watch for so long without any problems. So now we know. So it somehow is connecting to internet automatically even without the phone. Now this actually is the interesting one. I did not expect the watch and the phone, even though they are disconnected, Apple Pay still work absolutely fine on the watch without the internet, without Bluetooth to the iPhone. Now on the Apple website, it does say Apple Watch, Apple Pay on the watch will work without connecting to a phone. However, I could not find any details to explain how the actual works. So I only assume somehow the watch is still trying to get the network connection when it's not connected to the phone. So that kind of will synchronize the transaction, the bank details, the transaction details somehow through the internet to the provider. I can only assume that. Alright, hopefully you guys find it interesting, especially for you guys who use the Apple Pay on the Apple Watch. It is still myth to me how this works without connected to the phone. Now if you guys who knows how this thing works, please leave the comment so other user will get a benefit out of it as well. Alright, this is it. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully this video helped you guys to understand the Apple Pay on the Apple Watch, and you can still use it even without the phone. So don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. And don't forget, stay at home. If you do go out, make sure you use contactless where possible.